I'm going to show you how to create a video button to put on the Jumbotron. So for example, I received a hype video for the Russell County football program, and I want to show you how to make that this button to run it. I'm going to go to a blank display. So first, I'm going to go to my email because I received an email. So I have downloaded this video already, and I just saved it to my computer. I saved it under football. It's already an MP4, so I just saved it on this content and football folder, and I named it Jumbotron 2022. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over here. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and copy a previous video button because there's no need to reinvent the wheel here. I'm going to just right click, copy. I'm going to come down here, click paste, and you see the buttons there. All the different elements that are inside of this button are here as well. So go here. You can right click, go to properties, and you see, the Jumbotron video that was previously there on the other button is in there. All the different formats that I've preset in the other button have copied over as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a video. I'm going to come over here, and the Jumbotron 2022 video is right there. Just click on that and click save. So it is automatically, the video is now there. You just click on the button and the video will play. That's how you create videos in the Daktronics system.